I come to answer thy best pleasure, that to fly, to swim, to dive into the fire.
Ariel, thy charge exactly is performed, but there is more work.
I have done thee worthy service, served without a grudge or grumblings. Thou didst promise to bait me a full year.
Hast thou forgot from what a torment I did free thee? If thou more murmurest, I will rent an oak and peg thee in his snotty entrails till thou hast howled away 12 winters.
Pardon, master, I will be corresponded to command and do my spiriting gently.
Do so, and after 2 days I will discharge thee. Hast thou spirit performed to point the tempest I bade thee?
To every article, I boarded the king's ship, now on the beak, now in the waist, the deck, in every cabin of flamed amazement.
How now? Moody? What is thou canst demand?
My liberty.
Before the time be out, no more. Go, make thyself like a nymph of the sea. Take thee shape and here come in it.